Nice evening to be on the beach. Here's the Pink Shell Beach Resort and Spa. Let's look out toward the Gulf of Mexico. I saw a ton of boats about an hour ago, and it's not surprising with the waters being relatively flat right now. Good boating weather expected as the breeze should stay on the light side over the next couple of days, although it is going to be shifting around just a little bit. Skies mainly clear on the beach, mainly clear across much of southwest Florida. Our temperatures right now in the low to mid 80s, just a little bit cooler and a little bit drier. The dew point temperature came down to the 60s, mid 60s right now in Bonita Springs. That means the relative humidity in about the 55 to 60% range. Feeling a little more comfortable today than yesterday. However, even though there's very dry air up in the northern portion of the state, we're actually seeing more moisture kind of move in at the upper levels of the atmosphere. We're still waiting for that really strong cold front to come through. Bump our morning temperatures down to the 50s. Doesn't look like that's going to happen for at least the next week and a half. 69 degrees to start your day tomorrow. Look at this. We're going to have some clouds throughout the day, especially in the afternoon. Mostly cloudy at noon. A few isolated showers possible by 5 o'clock. We'll have isolated showers possible really throughout the afternoon. But right now we have that dry air in place at the upper levels of the atmosphere and close to the surface too. Cloud cover pretty limited today. Most of the clouds that did develop were those low-level cumulus clouds. But look what's happened here just in the last few hours. All this darkness was the dry air that moved in late last night throughout the day today. Now it's being replaced with a little more moisture. And look what's going on out here in the Gulf of Mexico. Significantly more moisture. We have a weak disturbance, a weak trough that's going to be in South Florida tomorrow. It's going to bring us the cloud cover. That's the reason that we're going to be mainly cloudy in the afternoon. It's also going to help to contribute to a few showers for us. However, we should be getting a little bit drier by later on in the week. Here's our hurricane, barely a hurricane, Rafael with winds at 75 miles per hour, giving Bermuda kind of a fringe effect of the storm. It's on the weaker side, Bermuda is, of Tropical Storm, or I should say Hurricane Rafael, though it's probably going to be Tropical Storm Rafael later on today. It's moving quickly right now. It's going to continue to move quickly, make its way to the northeast, and probably become extra tropical by the end of this week. Tomorrow afternoon, even with high pressure in place trying to build in, we'll have that weak disturbance over South Florida. So some isolated to scattered showers and thunderstorms tomorrow. Chance for rain officially about 30 to 40%. Most of the showers are going to be on the lighter side. Now, by the end of the week, cold air is going to be making its way down from the Great Lakes into the southeast. However, it looks like this front, well, it's going to get to South Florida, probably late Saturday or early Sunday. But it's just going to wash out on top of us. So the humidity will increase a little bit for the beginning of the weekend. By Sunday, should start to feel a little bit drier, a little more comfortable. But these are all just minor tweaks to the forecast. The front that's going to be here this weekend going to be a very weak one. 64 in Palmdale. 66 in LaBelle, and these are the areas where it's going to be foggy first thing tomorrow morning. We'll be 65 in Lakeport, Arcadia kind of foggy for you. Closer to the coast, though, that fog is going to be much more limited. Pine Island with 70 degrees. We'll start with 66 in Lehigh Acres, 67 in Golden Gate Estates, and 73 to start the day on Marco. We'll be seeing an easterly wind for the boater before it becomes northerly at about 10 knots. Isolated afternoon showers tomorrow, then a little bit drier on Thursday, which should be a mainly dry day. A little more humid Thursday and Friday. That's why we have a few isolated showers in the forecast. Then it gets a little bit drier by Sunday and Monday. That's a look at your Storm Patrol forecast.
Here we go. It's the Fox 4 catch of the day.
Rick Rufalusi says the snook are definitely back. He caught that one in his canal at Royal Harbor using cut ladyfish as bait. 17 pounds, nearly 40 inches long, in his backyard, in his canal. He didn't even have to leave the dock to catch that monster. Congratulations, Rick. When you catch the big one, send it to us. StormPatrol at fox4now.com.